The Oppo A2 Pro 5G Pro 110 is an upcoming device that recently popped up on our radar through a 10A listing that revealed most of the phone specs along with a suggested release date of September 15. Now, the same phone has been spotted in an official listing on China Telecom's website, along with word of a September 22 release date. Regardless of timing, we are happy to get some more detailed images and specs for the upcoming handset. The Oppo A2 Pro 5G measures 162.66 x 74.218 x 7.99 and tips the scale at 190 grams. Its design looks very modern, with a curve on both sides into the middle frame. The display in question is a 6.7-inch OLED with a Full HD resolution of 2412 x 1080 pixels and 2160 PM dimming control to ensure comfort and alleviate eye strain. The phone is built around a MediaTek Dimensity 7050 chipset, which is just a rebranded version of the popular Dimensity 1080. It is paired with an extensive variety of memory and storage options, including 80GB 256GB SCB, 12GB 256GB, and even 12GB 512GB combos. A 64MP main camera is on the back of the device, accompanied by a 2-amp supplementary sensor. On the front, an 8MP camera for selfies. There is a 5000 mAh battery on board. There is seemingly no 3.5mm jack, in case you were wondering. According to the listing, the Oppo 2 Pro 5G is available in black, brown, and purple color options with a list price of CNY 2099, which is around $290 or your $270, making it quite affordable.